Hey, let's fill her up and get on the road right here. Down, get it in, bit it in, mile a minute, and tight to the bit, tail to the bit 25. Hey, everybody get tight to the bit 25. Everybody get 30, mile a minute, and 35 here. Down, get it in, bit it in 50. Down, get it in, bit it in 60 to 75. Hit 75, 75, 85, 100 out of it. Now, bit it tight to the bit 25, 125 out of the bit 35. At 130, mile a minute, and 50. Down, get it in, bit it 50. Down, 60 to 75. Now, 175, 85. At 180, mile a bit there to the bit 2, but get 2, but get 210. Down, get it 25. Hit 225. Everybody get 35, mile a minute, 235 and 50 down, middle minute and 50 down, 60 at 260 down, 75, 275 down, and I'm 85, 285, gonna be 300 out of it down, middle and mile, minute and 3 at 3 and a quarter down, middle and minute and 310, a quarter down, middle and 3 and a quarter to 30.
Well, good morning for me. Welcome back. We are at home, getting ready to go do some local stuff. And yeah, Radar thinks he's going to get to go with this time. Chief is also not going to get to go with this time. But yeah, we are dirty as hell. But we're gonna go try to make some money.
And the Minnesota River's looking like it's a little bit full. I don't know if you can see the bridge over there or not. Yeah, we're flooded. We're flooded. Gotta love it. Go from drought to a flood. Gotta love it though. And yet more flooding here. The lake is way up. I've never seen it this high. I've been down here for 5 years or thereabouts, and yeah. Everything is flooding. And it looks like the water's actually going down from the sides of the buildings. Water lines are down. Wow. That is definitely a first that I've seen. Bet you can get a hell of a deal on a house right now. Yeah, it almost looks like water was up over the road here at one point. That's unreal to me. Yeah, I have never seen the water that high down here. Granted, I don't live down here, but I'm down here a lot. And I've never seen a current under that bridge like that either.
All right, we are loaded, chained down. We are in the state of Minnesota, going to the state of Minnesota. All I gotta do is put flags on, and Steiger wants to bite me. But yeah, that's it. The one I picked up in Tennessee, going to its new home. We are in southern Minnesota. From southern Minnesota, we are empty and we are off to get our next load. Busy weekend. So until the next one, we'll see you later. Peace out.